Hi there, welcome back to Legacy Finance. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 passive income ideas that can set you up for financial independence. And if you are new to the channel, Legacy Finance is all about personal investments, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. On this channel, we basically help people to grow their money and to attain early financial independence. Now, let's get back to today's video. In today's video, as I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you 7 passive income ideas that will set you up for financial prosperity. Now, the first on my list is what I call vlogging or YouTube. Vlogging or YouTube is on the first list because over time we have seen that there has been a lot of huge migration from television towards YouTube now. YouTube is the largest second search engine, second only to Google itself, meaning that more and more people are now moving towards YouTube. And where there are more eyeballs, it means that companies are always willing to advertise on these platforms so that they can get more people patronizing their products. Now, the way this works is as you create a YouTube channel and you get a huge subscriber base and you are approved, then when companies place their adverts on your channel, then Google pays you a percentage of the money that is paid to them. So that is how this whole program works. And it's even estimated that in time to come, YouTube will overcome television because more and more people are now moving towards YouTube. The truth is that social media has come to stay. If you look at other social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, these are equally very good platforms where you can really generate very good revenue from. But on my list, I have recommended YouTube because YouTube is a lot easier to start with. All you have to do is to create videos that are very good in content and that resonates with your audience. Okay, so that is the first pick on my list. And the second thing that I want to share with you is what I call blogging. Blogging is something that has stayed with us for a very long time. Blogging has produced a lot of millionaires in history past, and it is still producing a lot of people that are making a lot of money from this kind of enterprise. So I strongly recommend that if you are very good with article writing or you are very good in a particular niche, for instance, maybe you are very good with writing about luxury life or you are very good with psychology, you can consider starting a blog so that you write such articles and post there. And as you begin to get more and more traffic to your site, then advertisers are always willing to advertise on your platform. And as they do that, you get a percentage of the advertising money as passive income. Now, all these are passive income because you do not really spend a lot of time. Once you create the product, once you are done with it, you don't spend time doing it again. So some things that people have done maybe in a year past or 2 year past, they are still earning money on some of these things. Meanwhile, they just created it once and it's still earning money for them. All right. So those are 2 ways that you can use to generate passive income for yourself. Now let's get to the third one. The third one is an offshoot of the first 2. It is what I call affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means that you are a marketing agent for a company. You are not the one creating the product, you are not the one making the product, but you are only bringing traffic to the product. You are only converting traffic to the product so that when the traffic that you bring, when they make a purchase, then you get a percentage of how much they are paying for the product as reward for bringing traffic to the product. Now this makes sense because if not because of you, that person who made that purchase wouldn't have bought it. Okay, so companies are now willing to pay people for bringing people onto their products, and that is what affiliate marketing is all about. And this concept of affiliate marketing, I think it is very good because one, you don't need to think of a brilliant idea, you don't need to create a product, the cost involved in creating the product, you don't have to incur losses in case the product doesn't do well in the job market. It doesn't do well in the market out there. So I think the concept of affiliate marketing is very good for anyone out there who is interested in generating passive income because there is very little to no risk at all involved in it. And the good thing is, once you are already earning the other passive incomes, for instance, YouTube, or you are a blogger, it means that you already have traffic. you already have traffic there, you already have subscribers there. All you need to do is to know how to convert this traffic from that site onto the affiliate products, so that when they go there, if they see any product that is of interest to them, then they can make that purchase. Once they make that purchase, then you also get a percentage of that money. So it sounds very cool, right? And it's quite interesting how much people are able to make from just affiliate marketing. So I've shared with you 3 passive income ideas you can use to generate money that will set you up for financial independence. Now let's get on to the 4th one. The 4th one is what I call digital courses, sale of digital courses. Now all these are offshoots of the fact that you're already running a channel on YouTube or a blog and you already have traffic there. So this concept of selling of digital courses works this way. You're already creating content out there, okay, and people are interacting with your content. People are consuming your content. Now, sometimes there are contents that you create that people like so much that they wish that you could do a more detailed concept of that course, okay, or of that concept, of that content that you are producing. So now, if you produce some particular content, you see that a lot of people are showing interest in that, and they wish that you could do a more detailed presentation of that. Then you can channel that into creating a full-time course on that particular content. And because you already have a ready market asking for it, then you can begin selling this to your clients or your subscribers. So let's say that you have a subscriber base of 10,000 people and you create a digital course, and these 10,000 people, they're even buying that digital course for just $1. That already makes you $10,000 straight away. Of course, I know that it's not everyone that will buy the digital product, but I'm just being on the low side of saying it's just $1. So you see, so this is also another great way to create passive income. However, the way this works is you must be ready to invest time and energy in doing proper research and producing really good content on the digital course. Don't produce crappy material out there for people. People are investing their time and energy into reading what you have produced. So it is good that you do your research very well, get to know your area, your niche very well, so that you produce real content, real quality content that will add value to people. Once you do this and it excels very well, then you can go on to produce more of such content for people. So it's very important that in as much as you want to make money, you want to get a lot of passive income through this concept, it's very important that you also be very, very aware that you have to create valuable content for people. All right, so that's the 4th way to make passive income. Now, all these are passive because it is create once and for a lifetime. Once you create the product, you can earn from it for the rest of your life, okay? Now, let's get on to the 5th passive income. And this is what I call interest earnings. Now, if you have money sitting in just a normal bank account, that money doesn't appreciate over time. Or even if you tie it and put it under your pillow, it doesn't appreciate over time. If you put that money there for a period of 5 years, let's say if it was 50,000, in 5 years' time, when you come, the time value of the money would have dropped down to say 30,000. If you take it out to the market there, its value in the marketplace could be say 30,000, when initially it was 50,000. So because of this time value effect of money, it is good that when you have money sitting in an account, you put it in an interest earning account. Once you put it in an interest earning account and the money begins to accrue interest on you, on it over a period of a year, then that earning that you are getting is passive because you are not really doing anything. You have only just kept the money in an interest earning account and it is producing that return for you. So that is also another passive income idea that you can take advantage of so that you get good returns on it, okay? Now let's talk about the next passive income idea, and that is something I call LAN. It's interesting how LAN behaves. LAN is one of those things that its value will always appreciate. LAN's value will always appreciate. land's value will always appreciate, okay? No matter what you do, land will always appreciate over the long time, okay? And if you buy a land for say 5,000 today, over a period of 5 years, the value of the land is going to appreciate over time. And that capital appreciation on the land, you can take advantage of that and really enjoy from it, okay? So that is how this whole concept works. Now, if you are really enjoying this video and you have gotten some value out of this video, I encourage you to hit the subscription button down below, turn on your notification bell, and also remember to like this video. It helps us to really promote the channel and to grow as a family and as a community. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you come around to watch our other videos on the screen out there. Legacy Finance, promoting financial prosperity.